We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Addtam Surge Protector, outlet extender with nightlight. If you own this product, we'd love for you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Let's dive into what users love and dislike about this versatile device. The Addtam Surge Protector is a multifunctional outlet extender that combines practicality with convenience. It features a total of 9 ports, including 5 wide-spaced outlets and 4 USB charging ports, one of which is USB-C. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to expand their power options without cluttering their space. The 3-sided design ensures ample room for larger plugs, while the built-in nightlight adds a touch of functionality that many users find indispensable. One of the standout features of this Surge Protector is its smart dusk-to-dawn nightlight. Equipped with a light sensor, the nightlight automatically turns on when ambient lighting is insufficient. Users have praised the soft, warm glow it emits, describing it as bright enough to be useful but not so intense that it disrupts sleep. This makes it ideal for bedrooms, hallways, nurseries, and bathrooms. Additionally, the nightlight can be manually turned on or off using the sensor switch, offering flexibility based on individual preferences. The Addtam Surge Protector also scores high marks for its stability and ease of installation. It comes with a removable screw and a plastic prong at the back to secure it firmly to duplex outlets. However, some users have noted that the unit does not mount flush against the wall and sticks out slightly, which can cause minor wobbling when plugging in cords. Despite this, most agree that it remains stable enough for everyday use. Safety is another area where this product excels. It boasts 3 complementary surge protection circuits with a minimum energy-absorbing capacity of 1050 joules. This ensures protection against overloads,